Be ready. 5 seconds. Start.
Ladies and gentlemen, I will, as usual, take the report and accounts to read, as these have been in your hands for several days. I am today in the happy position of being able to tell you that your company has had an excellent year. Many companies which are in the same line of business as ourselves are reporting heavy losses on the years trading. I think therefore that you as shareholder send we on the board are entitled to congratulate ourselves on the outcome of the year's works. Not only have we shown an improved gross profit, but the figure of net profit is substantially in excess of last year's figure. This is particularly gratified because we spend a large sum of money on the installation of some modern equipment. The board hopes that as a result of the use of these new equipment, our cost of production will considerably during the current year. If we can maintain our turnover, I ought to be in a position next year to put still more favorable figures before you. You may ask why it is that your organization has prospered while others of a like nature have been with difficulties. In my opinion, the reason is that we are offering the public superior products. Most members of the public buy wisely, and if they are offered something which gives better service without costing more, they naturally purchase if they can. It has never been the policy of your board to save money at the expense of quality. We have already sought to give good value for money, and we are now reaping the reward of this policy. Para. Another factor which certainly influences sales as our attractive packaging. Our boxes are not expensive, but the general appearance appeal. Stop women who make up the bulk of our customers. Our salesmen are also carefully trained men. They know their job and know it thoroughly.